Hello. Welcome to Advanced Vedic Mathematics course. Panini Ashtadhyayi Sthapatya Trans Phase 7 Lesson 57. Here in this session we shall be appreciating that the effect of trans-sittings is that what is the effect of it? It is that the Ank numbers transform into Divyank, transcendental numbers. This means 8 transforms into 17 plus 8 is 25, and 25 is 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That means the 8 space is transforming into this, and 8 is 5 plus 3, and 3 is 1. So there remains 5 stages, and these are the 3 stages. Means the 8 number as 5 plus 3, 3 as 1, leading to 5 steps, starting with 3, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. And it is 5 square. That means from Pankti to work. Pankti, is 6, 7 and 6. It is 19. Means origin of 6 space transcending out and becoming 19, and it is Dhruv. And it is this 7 which as a Sapt is 14. It is Satta, and it ultimately is going to a 4 space, and 4 space with 4 folds, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is 14, and 14 as H14 takes us to 29, and it is Brahma, Creator, the Supreme. Brahma meditates within the cavity of his own heart, and with the grace of the Transcendental Lord multiplies as 10 Brahmas, means as a creative cap for the transcendental cavity. And it is within it that there is a flow of a transcendental content which attains ultimately the self-referral base, that is H5 and small h5. It is 37. So Krishna 19 with plus 18 gaps values 37 as Shri Bhagavan. And so from the Bindu Sarovar there is a flow of 7 streams which manifest as 3 streams, and this is the phenomenon of Divya Ganga Pravaha. Sit comfortably. Permit the transcending mind to be parallel with this. First stage we do in trance is we sit comfortably and we permit the mind to enter through the eastern cosmic window into the creative domain and never reach up till this. This is our trance 1. Then when we have reached here, this becomes a 5 space point, it becomes a 5 space point. From 4 space, we reach at 5 space, and 5 space as hypercube 5 here as 3, 4, 5 and 6, 18, it becomes a shunya. And so we know that this 15 plus this value 18 together as 33, it becomes a spinal cord of 16 kund. And as a result, we are entering at the dimensional frame of a 4 space. And this of value 16, is D6, 6 space content as 6, 4 and 4 and 2. These are the features which are sequentially taking us to during these transittings. The effect is that Ankh transforms as a Divya Ankh. One shall update one's TCV dictionary and Sthapatya references, Transcendental Dictionary, TC Values Dictionary, then this as Transcendental Code Values. Then we are at Sthapatya references, then we are at Transbook. Update it. Start with Ankh, and effect is going to be Divya Ankh. Make an entry, give a full expression. We know the TC value here is 8, the TC value here is 25. We know 8 is 5 plus 3, 5 space as a domain, and 3 space as its dimension superimposed. And 8 also we know is Akash. And 8 also we know is a Ras. It is Apa, water. So in a way, we are entering the liquid state for these solids. Now 25 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means it is having a 5-fold transcendence range. Now 3, Triya is equal to 1, Ek. So there remains only 5 space domain of 5 dimensions. But all 5 dimensions are solid. Because solid, so this takes us to 18. Fifth stage is 75. So from 5, we reach 5 square. It is this feature. It is square work, and it is a Pankti. Pankti is 19, means 7 space is coming out of 6 space. It is 19, it is Krishna. It is Dhruv. It is 7 space. Value Sapt is 14. It is Satta. It is 2, 3, 4, 5. And 14 is Brahma. Brahma meditates within cavity of your own heart, multiplies as 10 Brahmas. And 90 with 18 gaps, 37. It is Shri Bhagavan. It is a flow from 9 to 7 streams to 3 streams. And then it is 20. It is Ved. So 19, 20, 18 to 20, 37 to 40, 37, 38, 39 and 40. Here is Maheshwar. And it is the cavity of a transcendental domain, 40 coordinates. Sit comfortably. permit the transcending mind to be parallel with these sequential steps. And the net effect is that our numbers transform into transcendental numbers. See, we are working with Ank. Its translation is number. Its TC value is 1, 5, 1 and 1. It is 8. So this egg is 8. See what it is. We say we have a cube. It is one cube. But this cube is a synthetic setup of as many as 8 subcubes. So one cube has 8 subcubes, means it is 2 raised to the power 3. So how the one cube transforms into 2 cube, this is all what is happening here. Now see Ank, Nga, Ka and A. Ka as a Brahma takes to value 4, as Shiv takes to value 5, as Vishnu takes to value 6. So this 8 becomes 11, here becomes 12, here becomes 13. See, number 13 is a Rekha. It is a line. So 8 is Asht. Its TC value is 11. It takes us to 13. You know, in a 10 directional frame of 3 space, we can have a step ahead for the 11th direction, which take us to 4 space. And within 4 space, the cube is having 13th edge. This is 13th edge. And it coordinates with this dimensional frame. So Akshar coordinated with Swara becomes 28. It is Brahm. See now, when we learn that starting point is to be, we know starting point is Om Iti Ek Akshar Brahm. See how this is happening. We have seen Akshar is 13 TC value 13. Here is 28, here is 8, here is 8, here is 16, and this 8 goes to 11, 12 and 13. See this feature. So here the cube is 13th edge, and it is this 13th edge which is a rekha, a line. So